Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you your 2-week update on the Rogers apartment building, or the Rogers, I think that's just what they call it, the Rogers. And that's it there. It's going to be 27 floors, and I would guess they're probably reached, I don't think they reached 15 floors yet, so they definitely have some way to go. But we're going to ask somebody on the construction site how many floors they've gone, because quite a few persons have been asking, and it's good to know what's going on. Read the number of floors when we make the video. Alright, so just to tell you what's here now. So that's the Rogers on the right, and then that's Genesis 28, which is also residential apartments under construction. And that building is going to be, well, it's 8 floors, it's there already. And then beside it you have Parkhurst, which is that one there. And then you can't see it from this camera angle, but actually we'll show you. 20 South is also around here, and that one is 10 floors. So that's the Rogers, 27 floors. This is Genesis 28, 8 floors. This is Parkhurst, 7 floors, and that's 20 South all the way to the left. So, and they're all residential apartments. We're going to go try and get a view of this building from another angle. Construction site, so you know it's going to be busy and also very dangerous, so you have to be careful. Alright, let's zoom in here so you can see. Alright. Okay, now we can get a better view of the progress. Okay, so here we go now. This is a much better view to show you what's going on. I'm assuming, I think I said this building was going to be finished next year. Let's see what they said. Okay, so just to give you a summary of what's going on. They said it was going to finish in 2023, but that's not going to happen. As you can see, we're in March now, and there's no way this building will finish this year. So the address is 10 Waterloo Avenue, and it's going to be 27 floors. It's going to have 129 units, meaning apartments. Some will be penthouses, some will be, going to be a mix. Alright, as we said, we'll keep you guys updated. We also have drone videos, so you can check those out as well. Alright, so we're going to take a view of the building from the front now, or from the other side. Definitely has a far way to go there. What always impresses me with these buildings is the lot that the building is on. It's not acres, it's not that big, and they can put up these massive buildings on such a small lot. That's really impressive. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe, and check us back again in 2 weeks as we give you another video showing you the progress that's going on with the building, and we'll keep doing that until the building is finished. And guys, if there is any building that we missed out, or anything you want us to make a video of, just leave a comment in the section below and we'll be happy to make the video.